Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen appliances with a spotlight on the Hauslane PS38 range hood. If you're in the market for the best Auto Clean Kitchen Chimney, look no further. The Hauslane PS38 is not just any ordinary range hood. It's a powerhouse of style and performance, designed to elevate your cooking experience to new heights. Let's delve into what makes this range hood stand out from the crowd. First and foremost, its standout feature is the powerful suction provided by its perimeter suction design. This innovative design ensures that no cooking odor, smoke, or airborne particles escape its grasp, leaving your kitchen smelling fresh and clean every time you cook. But that's not all. The PS38 doesn't just excel in functionality. It also boasts a sleek and modern design that adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen space. Its stainless steel finish seamlessly blends with your existing appliances, creating a cohesive and sophisticated look. Now, let's talk about performance. The PS38 is equipped with a powerful motor that delivers high CFM suction, ensuring that even the most stubborn cooking odors are whisked away in an instant. Plus, with its 6-speed settings, you can easily adjust the fan speed to suit your cooking needs. One of the standout features of the PS38 is its touch panel control, which allows for effortless operation and easy maintenance. With just a touch of a button, you can activate the Auto Clean function, which steam cleans the hood and ventilator fans using an internal water supply. No waterline required. In terms of installation, the PS38 is relatively straightforward to set up, although it's recommended to have a helper due to its weight. Once installed, you'll be amazed by its quiet operation, even at higher fan speeds. Last but not least, let's talk about the LED lights. The PS38 comes equipped with bright LED bulbs that illuminate your cooking area while conserving energy. Plus, they're easy to replace, so you'll never have to worry about finding the right bulbs. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best Auto Clean kitchen chimney that combines style, performance, and convenience, look no further than the Hauslane PS38 range hood. It's a game changer for any kitchen, and I can't recommend it enough. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unbiased product reviews. Until next time, happy cooking!